how to add people and contacts to Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and tap on display. After that, we scroll down and tap on Edge panels, tap on the left hand side here. Make sure you turn on Edge panels and then go down and tap on panels. From here, swipe across and locate the panel of the people panel and tap on the radio checkbox at the top here to select it. And then we go down and tap on edit. In edit, in your contacts list, select the contact that you want to add to the Edge panel. Here, if we go back to the home screen and swipe inwards to open up the Edge panels, over here you can swipe across and select the people panel. From here, you can see I can quickly access the contact directly from the Edge panel. When I tap on a contact, I have the option to call them or message them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.